my hair. Actually, not my whole hair, just my colored locks. Rather, I'm just gonna color the new growth, just not the same color as this. I just want it like I just kind of want it to fade because I don't want to color my locks anymore. You see how like it's like such a distinct break in color. I don't like it. I don't like it at all. I'm just going to lighten it a little bit so that way when my black hair starts to grow out, it's like kind of like an ombre effect and not like this like light and then dark. I think after this I'm going to stop coloring my locks. I'm not trying to touch anything else here. You see what I'm saying? YOLO, how? So, that rhymed. But anyway, so I think I'm just gonna do like, I have a little bit of bleach left over that I don't want to waste because it's money, honey. So I think that I'm just gonna do like a bleach bath on the rest of the locks. Okay, so this is what it's looking like right now. It's like a golden brown color. The thing with bleach is though that's tricky is that it looks lighter when it's on your head, and then when you rinse it out, it's darker. But I mean, I don't want it to be too light, but also don't want it to be too dark, because I don't want to do this again. You show me? But I'm just gonna rinse it out in the sink just to see if I need to do another bleach bath. I know, right? I'm forcing it, but fuck it. And then, yeah, but this is what the room's looking like if you focus on me. Ew. I don't like it. I don't like it at all. I don't know what I'm doing. Listen. Oh, it's turning yellow. Hopefully my dreads won't go up. Oh, it's burning. Okay, so I had a plan. Plan didn't go as planned. But hey, that's life, you know? Sometimes you have plans and then life is like, no, that's not the plan. And now it's yellow. So I'm definitely gonna have to tone it because I don't want to walk around here like a weirdo. I don't have the energy to run out to Sally though. I'm just gonna hop in the shower, fresh out the shower, and I'm just gonna spray some of this conditioner with water as like a leave-in, especially over here, because it needs it. Alright, let's look at what these locks look like. Oh boy, the roots look a lot better than they did before. It's just kind of weird how it goes like light to like darker. And I know it's because I've dyed my hair black in the past. I need some purple to cancel out these yellow hues though. Anywho, yeah, let me show you what my hair looks like. It's completely drenched. Okay, so it's been a few days since I dyed my hair, and this is what it looked like after the second bleach bath that I did. I mean, it feels dry, but it's not horrible. But anyway, this is what it looks like. So I went to Sally's. And I got a few things. I got this toner, maybe it was show, T18 toner. I was gonna go with this different toner, but This turns purple fast, like on the YouTube videos that I've seen, so I'm like, I need something that's actually gonna tone the shit out of this brassiness. So I got this. And then I got some 20 volume developer to go with it. And then I also got this blonde, it's like a conditioner, but it's like purple conditioner, if you see right there. This has taken an unexpected turn. I was just trying to dye the roots brown, and it ended up turning into this whole other thing. So, you know, it is what it is. I need to run out of bleach so I can stop myself from doing this. I need to just stop. It's just too orange. I feel like the toner's not gonna do anything. Yeah, I'm just gonna have to do it. I'm gonna have to do it. What am I supposed to do? I'm not doing a bleach bath. I'm just gonna go in with this shit. I just touched up the roots with some more bleach. I kind of do want to lighten this part right here, just so that it's somewhat even. But again, I know it's because I dyed my hair black before. It's only been 5 minutes and it feels like it's been like 10. But I'm gonna start putting bleach on the darker parts of my lock, because I just don't like it. Just rinsed it out. Wow. It just looks so nasty, dude. Yeah, now I'm wondering like if I should just tone it. And I'm just gonna go ahead and tone it. This whole bottom part is just so orange. It makes me want to bleach it again. But I think I'm just going to tone it while it's still slightly damp. Here it is. I'm just going to start just doing this. Oh, no. At this point, what can you do? I feel like it's already starting to change color. It looks like a gray, smoky greenish color. Am I bugging or not? Okay. Oh, yeah. It's turning purple. I see you, Papi. This is also like though. I'll be back. In about 30 minutes. Okay, I haven't looked yet. Oh, hi. I'm gonna let it air dry to see the final result. The color always looks different when it's dry. This is so weird. I feel like it needs more toning, especially the end. I'm just gonna leave it alone for now because I'm tired. I lied, I'm not tired. I want to try this thing out because, like, you know, why not? Okay, this looks like paint. And just are trash. Like, nothing is happening with you. Okay, fresh out the shower and dun, dun, dun. This is what it's looking like. This looks like patchy mess. The purple conditioner definitely toned it some more. I mean, I don't hate it. I mean, my curls are still here. Are they surviving, bro? I'm just gonna wait for it to dry up to see the final color result. I wish that from here down was a little bit like this color, but no, it's just a brassy mess. It looks like a weird ombre. So my hair is like, I'm gonna say like 80% dry. I'm gonna keep letting your hair dry, but I just wanted to show you what, you know, it's looking like. And this is it. Like I said, it's like a weird ombre. This just being the final color is just, I don't know. But for now, I'm just gonna leave it alone. My curls are like, would I even call them curls at this point? Okay, so it's been a few days later. First of all, let me just show you the color from when I bleached my hair about 4 times. So it's not bad, you know, it's still awkward because of like this part, but we're gonna try to fix that one more time, just one more time, then I'll probably be satisfied. Okay, before I show you guys the final, this is literally the final result because I am not putting any more bleach, color, even toner, unless it's that conditioner, because it's conditioner that's purple, which can tone your hair without chemicals. That's all I'm doing until I get like 2 inches of new growth, and maybe I'll touch that up. Maybe I won't, depends on how I feel, but dun, dun, dun. So this is the final result, okay? I'm not doing anything else. I'm happy with it. Obviously, the ends are still a little darker. Not a little, they're darker than the new growth. But they did get lightened the last time. Before it was like a darker orange color. Now it's like a lighter orange. Kind of looks like a brown, almost like a light orangey brown. But before it was like a dark burnt orange, rusty orange. So I'm happy. I'm not gonna put any more bleach on it, my hair to lighten it, because as you can see, my curls are like, it's still curling and shit, but like they're not. It needs some time. I think I might have to do a protein treatment on it, but I do like the way this color came out. It's an ashy, like blonde color, and you know, I dig it. Ooh, you know, if I could get that like Storm X-Men color on and popping with the contrast of the black, silver hair, but no, cannot do that unless I have like this much new growth and then bleach it like 4 times, then tone it, then we in business, you know. But for now, I'm just gonna leave it alone and probably do a protein treatment because I clearly don't need it on the ends. I just don't want to buy anything like that 2-minute reconstructed because like, just for like 3 locks. Maybe I should just do my whole head. Oh, I don't know, maybe I'll make another video on that. But for now, this is it. I'm happy with it. It's less patchy. I mean, it's still kind of patchy, but it's less like yellow, orange, blonde. silver brown, rusty brown. It's more like an actual like ombre-ish color. It just looks better, okay? I don't know what I'm saying, but it looks better. You guys know it looks better too. So this is it. I'm done. And until next time, when I have some new growth, we'll experiment then.